We often ignore protein treatment for our hair, but it is as much as important as anything else that we need to grow healthy hair. Today's intense deep treatment will give your hair a new life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, we only need 2 ingredients. I am using 1 avocado and 2 eggs. Although avocado contains a lot of fatty acids and vitamins that are very moisturizing for our hair, it is also very rich in proteins that our hair can benefit from. Eggs, on the other hand, are nutrient superfood for our hair. They contain vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin, and lots of protein that our hair can benefit from. Although some hair may not like protein treatment, it is actually very beneficial for a lot of types of hair. Protein treatments will work in to strengthen and restore your hair, lessening the chance of further breakage and split ends. This treatment will help in replenishing your hair moisture, improve elasticity, and the overall appearance of your hair. You can add an oil of your choice to your mixture and take it to a blender and blend everything to a very creamy and smooth consistency. The reason why I'm adding oil is because I want my deep conditioning result to be very moisturizing and leave the hair soft. And let me say, this is a before shampoo treatment. This is a hair mask that you will apply to your hair before you shampoo your hair. I did not need to filter this because it has coming into a very creamy consistency. If you have some chunks in there left over, you might want to filter it so you don't have any residue left on your hair. Once you're done putting everything together, it is time to apply it to your hair. I do apply this on both your scalp and the hair because you do want to strengthen your hair follicles when you're doing a deep treatment, and you also want to make sure you get every strand of your hair so you have a full coverage. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate you being here. If you have not subscribed though to my channel, please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button, join the family. It is a great way to support my channel, help me grow, because guys, it's not easy to put these type of videos together. So your support is very encouraging to help us keep going. Protein treatment is a great way to give your hair a new life, especially if you get to a point where your hair start really breaking when you have a lot of split ends. Protein treatment will help you to restore that hair back to life. It is very good, but overdoing of protein treatment can also be bad for your hair. So you do not want to overload your hair with protein, because overloading your hair with protein can lead into dryness and even more breakage to your hair. So you have to kind of find that balance and know when you will need a protein treatment and where you do not need a protein treatment. Once you're done applying your hair mask to your hair, you want to either apply like a hooded cap or a plastic cap on it, just because we want that body temperature or some kind of a heat that will work into making this fuse into your hair. I do recommend you leave this product on for at least an hour. After, you can shampoo and condition your hair and style it as usual. Today I am using my own homemade hair product to continue with the styling. The first product I'm adding here is my leave-in conditioner. There is a video on my channel on how I made this leave-in conditioner. It is very moisturized and very easy to make. Today I will be blow drying my daughter's hair. And before you do so, make sure you use a heat protectant to protect your hair against any heat damage. You also do not want to use the heat into an extreme heat. You want to use medium heat to blow dry your hair. So do what works for you. Style your hair as you desire. You do not have to blow dry your hair after this treatment. You can style as how you want to style your hair. This is my method that I use. Today is what I've decided to do with it. So that is it for today's process. This conditioning treatment is very essential. It leaves her hair very soft and very manageable. It was a long process detangling, but with this conditioning method, I'm telling you, her hair becomes very soft and just very, very, very smooth to touch. And I really appreciate you guys being here. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps. It really goes a long way. If you find this video helpful at all, please go ahead and just leave a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Leave me comments if you have any question, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.